All right, crew. So hey, it's been a few days. Honestly, it's only been like 2 or 3 days. I went over to my buddy Count's house yesterday, for a few, and just to see what he's done. Like I said, it's been like 3 days since we went to go pick up the 55 Pontiac. So I just had to bring you guys back today, man, because I try to tell you guys, man, whenever old Counts is on a mission, that cat is on a mission, man. And like I said, it's only been 3 days. And, you know, before I go to work, I'm going to go over here and hang out a little bit. I get up pretty early, so come hang out with old Counts. But you guys are going to be shocked to see what he's done in 2 days, man. You know, so one day he brought it home, and then he's been working on it for 2 days. And I came over yesterday, and I was like, man, who committed a crime up in here? He got stuff all over the place. But all in all, the body, guys, look really good. The body looked really good. He got a few burned through places as far as rust. You know, just basically, which is expected for sedan that old and stuff. But the only thing that was really poor on it was the front pans, floor pans. Everything else, I mean, because I guess, you know, back then that's when where water settled. So everything else is solid. The back bed pans and stuff is solid and stuff like that. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on. You guys ain't gonna believe the progress that he's done to the old 55 Pontiac. So let me turn you guys back on in 1 second. All right, guys, we just got over here at Count's house, and I'm telling you, he got this mob all apart. It looked good too, guys. Look at all this work he done done. And I tell you, it's hardly no, like he was telling me. You can see it ain't hardly no rust. I mean, it looks like it's surface rust on the outside, but when you get down to it, I mean, I've never seen fenders. This is a 1950 vehicle, and I've never seen fenders that's as solid as this here. Look at that. And I mean, and normally on these fenders on the bottom, they're all ate up. Look at that fender, how that lip look. He said he was real surprised when they start taking it apart. I don't blame him. Of course, he'll redo all the upholstery, he said.
Radio. Did you see the radio in this time?
Yeah, I saw that too. Now, you know, they make that radio they make an up-to-date radio, and it looks just like that. But
I know I've used it. Look at here. Look at here.
What is that?
That's the damn part of the radio.
Oh, yeah, that's got those bulbs in it, don't it?
That's crazy, ain't it?
Hey, look, you can tell how hot it was. Look how it melted the, you know, the outside of it. I bet you that radio worked too, still.
Well, you have to have all that junk around with it.
Oh, the bulbs and stuff?
All that old stuff there. Well, it makes it work.
This, when I came over yesterday, he was taking all the chrome pieces. This thing had so much pretty chrome. Now, this is only being, what? This has only been, what, 2 days, Counts? 2 or 3 days?
I've got physically, I've thrown it in Friday, but I got physically about 2.5 days in it.
I told her, I said, boy, this Counts as a machine, boy, I tell you. Look at that.
He's a machine.
He is a machine.
He's an idiot, what he is.
Look at all that chrome, man. I mean, but nothing is rusted. He said he may have some problems with the tail lights, trying to find the right. So you think you have some problems trying to find the tail lights for this?
I don't know yet. I really don't know.
I mean, look, no rust. This thing is solid. Look, solid. Hey, no rust. This is awesome. I'm excited for him. Have you ever seen another man excited for another as much as I am for another person? That's crazy, isn't it? So he said right now he's thinking about using the water, the same gauges, which I would. He's just trying to get that little water temperature sense out right there. And today he said he's gonna take the cab off. I got a couple. I think I got let me see here. I got another hour or so. I can help him out as much as I can within that hour. But look at this. I tell you what, I am just amazed in 2 days what he's done. I came over here yesterday and my jaw dropped because I couldn't believe how much he had done by himself. So, look at that there. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I just wanted to show you guys this here, and I don't have copyright to that music back there, that's for sure. Anyway, I think it's gonna be an awesome vehicle. All right guys, so we're going to be doing some updates on that 55 Pontiac. I tell you what, I'm so excited, and I tell you what, if I wasn't working on mine, I would probably be over here just about every day helping him taking it apart and stuff. These videos aren't going to be that long. I just want to make a short intro video of telling you guys, keeping you guys up to date, and hopefully I can go day by day, week by week, and get some good footage of counts restoring this one here while I'm restoring my 55. So until I see you guys on the next video, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them. CJ is out. I'll catch you guys on the next video.